See that tips? Aki that in my paper. Yeah, man, aki that man, I wash off the aki them to boil them. Earlier on, I saw me I put on my pressure cooker with the peas. I'm just gonna circle up on aki chain my paper. So I don't know what I'm going in even. Some stew peas with some aki and okra and them thing they cut up. Ital food, you know, see it my paper? Yeah man, so I wanna stay tuned my paper. See the paper pot over this up on fire. Don't know what I'm going. Right, starting on my paper. See peas here. Pressure on a wait for now. And I keep them boil and I wait too. See it? So see what I go on. I remember me telling you I do some mango juice. So I'll take a look on the mango. Nice fat one I pick off of my tree. Yes man. My tree come off of my people. See it? All of them are what you see. So I'm going to make my mango juice and I'm going to throw this in it to sweeten it. Because I watch a bag of sugar thing from what you understand. Yes, my peeps. See my peep? Peas that you know. Put some Irish in them people. We are season it up, so you see it. As I show you now again. So the Irish shot and the sweet pepper. The carrot that. We have some tomato. Scallion. Some chopped onion. Scotch bonnet pepper. You know that name? Time longer than rope. We have some garlic there, sir. And the good old okra. So this is a ital stew, my people. I remember I'm going to put some aki in it. We're going to make this cook up first. I'm going to make this boil up. Yeah. Before I do that, so let's stay tuned, my people. See it, my people? Wash off your fruits, you know. Yes, I. Nice big mango, my people. We call them mango a full belly, you know, people. Yes, man, a full belly, man. Now I go peel, you know, people. I just show you what I go on. See it, my people? Yeah, man. You wanna see it, my people? The jaw for a bigger knife, you know. Jaw for a big knife, man, if you deal with the big champion. I remember I blend to blend, so I have to peel it, my people. That's why I wash him off nice, huh? Yes, my people, mango run up and down all both. You see it, my people? You see it now go blend in, my people. So I'm going to cut up the mango, my people. That's it. Mango. Donut. Def. So I'm going to the paper. That is so going on, you see that? Yes, the paper. Looking nice. I'm going to do my paper because I don't know say Aki not going here, you know. You don't know, say Aki boil already. And so to make the Irish cook and the carrot cook. See the paper? Yeah man, so now I see how I deal with this. Hold on, mango juice. See me pep. Mango. Yeah man. See me pep. Yes, ja. Let's throw this in, so you know say Irish cook, you know. The carrot cook. So I'm running in the Aki. See me pep. Yeah. Black pepper that my people. Yeah. When I do it for the Rasta people, I'm gonna use black pepper in my paper, so nobody watch it. I just throw me. Yeah, me put the black pepper in it. Understand it, pep? Wanna see it? Yes, sir. Still not done up my paper. Roll on them, pep. We have the salt. See? Just a little tip. Yes, sir. So I can say everything ready in my people, because I don't know. I'm sure how I go on with the rice. Come on. Ella Bigs there, man. See my people? Ella Bigs there, my people. So see rice on my people. Yeah, man. White rice, my people. Yeah. I'll go back down to the mango juice. See the mango juice on my paper. Yes. Well blend and nice. So remember my paper. I'm gonna put a tongue in there. Yes man, a tongue in here paper. See it? In the business nobody want to talk, so a tongue. Lemon. See it? Also me have lime over there, so you understand? This have the sugar. Yeah, this have the sugar. And yang pass the people, so I don't know anything. This have also some sugar in it, so I don't bother with no sugar, just this alone. I understand, I'm sure no enough this is my people. See it, the pep? I hold it, but yeah, I don't want no sugar. See it, my peps? White rice. Yeah. Well, white and pretty, my peps, don't? Yes, man. Well, a big deal with the rice and the whole lot, you know, my people. Yeah, man. So when the rain comes down, I see me dish on my paper, so I don't know it all going. See it? Nice, done. Forward in the fix. This can't share that enough people, so I don't know so that have to come out. Done. So this is what I'm going to use my soup spoon. See it, my paper? Yes. So now watch how I'm going to pass on my paper. I wonder if I can smell it. I wonder my paper. I wonder. Nice, you know, my peep. Okay, then the way down one part, they have to cut on because I don't have a bag of mix up. See it, my peep? So, me that, my peeps. Yes, my peeps, so you see it? The cook inside and on with the outside. You know, so I don't know the year there, you know, you see it? Yeah, outside kitchen. The warriors in there, we are eat some food. See it, my people? Yeah, man, and a good old mango juice there.
See, there's a ital is a vital.
See it, my people?
Ital is vital that they see it here.
I get a yoke, but that's how we do the thing, you know, make the thing look nice and
yes,
alright.
buddy.
You see it? Good. Look at my glass. Lord God. Yes, Jah. Give thanks and praise.
Yeah, man, my thing.
Yeah, man, you see it?
When you say Ella Big's kitchen, you don't know what's outside.
That's the pig. So I don't know, I go down in a plate now, you know. You know, Ella Big's not it. Yes, I. And I'm not sure what to do, you know, I still have my table manners, you understand? I do my chat one whole heap. Already? So you don't know my people, like, subscribe and share, because I go shell on the food, so I check out. You see it, my people? Yes, I.